Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a hair review on some hair I purchased. If you'd like to see what I got, keep watching. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. So the hair that I got is from a company called ISEE Hair, and it says Princess Series. And the bundles I got the Kinky Curly, and I got 3 24-inch bundles of Kinky Curly hair. So let's see what is all in here. All right, so when you first open up the package, there is a little card that says ISEE Hair Princess Series. It gives you some care tips: brushing, washing, air dry, mousse, and daily. So it gives you all of that information in there. Also things about their Instagram page, and all of their handles for social media is on there as well. So yeah, this little pamphlet that comes in there. 24-inch bundles, and I have a 20-inch lace closure. So we will start off with the closure, and let me get it out. It comes in like this, it has like a hair net on it. Now this is some really tight coiled hair. It'll loosen up once I wash it first, but this is it. It doesn't look like 20 inches because it's so tight, but this is the 20-inch lace closure. I probably would get this made into a wig and dye it jet black. It's probably what I will do, but this is the closure itself. Super, super tight. And the bundles come in a little package like so. It just says ISEE Princess Mongolian Hair, and this is 24-inch, and it's the Kinky Curly texture. How that comes, and then once you take it out, this is it. Again, like I said, this hair is really tight, so once you wash it and loosen it up, it'll look like the inches, but it won't look as long because, like I said, this is a really, really tight curl. It doesn't really have a scent to it, which is good. It has some little, just says a thank you, and it has some care instructions on here. If you've never dealt with curly or really textured hair, it's really good to know how to care for it because it can be high maintenance. Trust me, I know. So curly hair can be very, very high maintenance. But these are all 3 bundles just together. That's the little thing. But yeah, this hair can be very, very high maintenance. It's very thick though. I can say that it's very, very thick. If you like the full look, this hair really is full. As you can see, I really like it. I really haven't got any shedding on it, just from me running my fingers through it just now. I really don't have any shedding in my hands from that, that's a good thing. You always also want to check that because with curly hair does shed more than your average hair. But I'll see once I actually get this. Once I get my wig installed, I will come back and do a review, an updated review of the hair once it's installed, just to see how it takes to the dye. Like I said, I'm going to dye this hair jet black and see just how it takes to the construction of the wig, and then we will see. So like I said, this is ISEE Hair. It is 100% human hair, Mongolian curly, and 3 24 inches, and I have a 20-inch lace closure. So this is just my initial review and thoughts on it, fresh out of the packaging, and I will come back with a review once I get the wig made and see how it's holding up from there. So yeah, that's that, and I will have it linked below so you all know where to purchase it and check out. That is all. That is just my initial review of the ISEE Kinky Curly Mongolian Hair. Like I said, I will link it below, and I will come back in maybe a few weeks once I get my wig made and get it installed so that you all can see. So that is the end of this video. If you all like this video, please remember to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.